Hunter Knight Customs.
So here we have my new version of Destiny. This is a new head, cast of Black Widow's face with a newly sculpted thing here. This is how it's the new cape is gonna look like. Yeah, it's gonna go attached to the back, and yeah, she's already been prepped for paint. All the joints have been sanded, and they're ready just to apply the paint. The cape is made out of Procreate. And boom, here it is, Destiny, yay, fully painted. She was painted using basically Lothern blue. I wanted to create her own, you know, color, but so I went with this one, Ayanami Ray blue. Why am I making a Ray Ayanami color? Why? Stay tuned. Yeah, no, it wasn't right for her, so I just went with Lothern blue. I've never used skin tones straight from the bottle ever in my life, but Aquacolor Revel is doing a wonderful job with this. This is called, my God, I can't pronounce this thing. This is a German. Revel is German, okay? So the colors are Hautfarbe. Yeah. So this color is perfect. It's just a very nice standard color. Now, like I said before in all my videos, these Revel paints are replacing my Model Masters acrylic line, my beloved Model Masters that went out of business in 2021. However, remember, these are super thick. I already thinned this one down. You can get three bottles of paint out of one. Just make sure you thin them down 3 to 1. Now the gold, the base color was this beautiful AK metallic gold, which is one of my favorite golds, and then I dry brushed it with Vallejo Game Color Dorado Pulido, polished gold. I love the dropper bottles. That dropper bottles are a godsend. See how much paint you waste with this Citadel bottles are horrendous. Look at that. This then falls into the paint, and then when you apply it, it has chunks on the paint, and besides, you're losing a ton of material here. The base, my Marvel Universe customs were very famous for their bases. Yeah, I signed one here. Yeah, thank you. And this was done using Citadel's texture Astra granite. You apply it and you have to wait like 2 hours for it to dry fully, because if you it will be dry to the touch in like 1 hour, but wait a little bit. Then I just applied a wash of new oil and then multiple dry brushes. So I went for Administratum gray, first layer. Then I went for a little bit of Celestra gray, and then of course I sealed it flat with one of my sealers, my in-house sealer, and then I carefully painted I don't know if you can make up the name. It says Destiny in my usually gang font that I always do these things on, because it's easier, because it's just lines. If you try to write, yeah, you're gonna pay the price. That's all there is to know about Destiny. She will be auctioned. Brother, when you're watching this video, she is already on the auction block, so good luck.
Impressive.